This video shows how to add keys for BMW F Chassis BDC 085 version via DoIP OBD method. As shown in the figure, connect the ACDP device and vehicle OBD2 interfaces with ACDP module 31 DoIP adapter. Open ACDP app. The device number displayed in the top right corner indicates that the device is connected. Click BMW. Click FEM BDC. Click IMMO mileage. Click BDC OBD F Chassis version 085. Click Detect Vehicle Info. Click OK. Click Continue. Click OK. Please save the vehicle system data. Pay attention to the path of the backup file. The file name contains the date and time. Click OK. Vehicle information is normal. Click OK. Identify vehicle info finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click Obtain IMMO data. Click Step 1, Read coding data. Click OK. Click Continue. Vehicle information is normal. Click Continue. Click OK, Save coding data. Pay attention to the path of the backup file. The file name contains the date and time. Click OK. Read coding data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click Step 2, Program Upgrade, System. Click Method 1, DoIP Updata. Click OK. Click Continue. Click OK, Save the vehicle system data. Click OK. Vehicle information is normal. Click Continue. Please keep network working good during the process of getting data. Click OK. Do not unplug or insert devices during the system programming process, and ensure vehicle power supply is stable. Click Continue. Programming ECU, please wait. Click OK, Save keys data. Pay attention to the path of the backup file. The file name contains the date and time. Click OK. Programming ECU, please wait. Obtain keys data finish, save the screenshot. Click OK. Click OK. Click the icon in the top left corner to go back to the previous level. Click Step 3, Write coding data. Click OK. Click Continue. Verify the coding status of the vehicle information. If it is a lost state, click Continue to restore it. If it is in a normal state, click to exit. Click Continue. Click OK, select coding data. Select the file with coding in the file name and note that the backup date and time in the file name is the time you backed up the file. Write coding data finish, click OK. Click OK. Click the icon in the top left corner to go back to the previous level. Click Add Key Help. Connect the ACDP to the OBD2 interface of the vehicle properly. Please notice when you are using ACDP2, it is necessary to change the DIOP cable to OBD2 extension cable, and connect the BAV key adapter to ACDP2 device properly. Then place the working key into the BAV key adapter properly. Click Add Key. Click OK. Click Continue. Vehicle information is normal. Click Continue. Click OK, select keys data. Select the file with syskeys in the file name and note that the backup date and time in the file name is the time you backed up the file. Confirm that the work key has been correctly placed in the BAV key adapter. Click Continue. Click OK, save ISN data. Click OK. Take a screenshot or click Export to save IMMO information. Click Continue. Select any free key route and click Continue. Please put the new key close to the emergency start sensing antenna position, as shown in the figure. Click Continue. Learning new keys. Generate new key finish. Click OK. Click OK. Check whether the new key functions properly. Thank you for watching.